Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you some of my favorite items that I have been using lately, loving lately, and have been making my quarantine stay-at-home life that much better. So without further ado, let's dive into this. I always feel like I'm about to perform a magic trick. Without further ado, I reveal the secrets. I don't know where to start. All this stuff is like just really exciting. Let's go with a board game, technically a card game. What constitutes the difference between a board game? Is this a board game, but it doesn't have a board? So is it still a board game? How does that work? I don't understand. Is it just a card game? But there's more than just cards. Regardless, go nuts for donuts. I bought these for the retail store, and I was like, let's try it out and see if it's fun. I've never played it before. I love it. It's one of those like card collecting games where you're trying to get donuts that are out in front of you before the other people do. And if you guys try to go for the same card, neither one of you get it, and they get points. And if you collect certain types of donuts, you get bonuses or negatives. It's a really fun game, and it's interesting to see how different people play it, because some people are more aggressive or trying to stop other people from getting donuts that they need. Or if you're like me, you're just kind of doing your own thing, just getting donuts like crazy. I must admit, I had the most donuts in the game, because I just thought they were cute. So we've been playing a lot of board games lately, and this one was definitely a really fun one. It says ages 8 and up, and I think that's definitely true. You could play it with some younger kids as well. So let's go to Drinkware next, because I actually have two products. The first is this giant water bottle. It's from the brand The Coldest Water, and they kindly sent this to me, and it is in fact the coldest water. I love my beverages to be the temperature that they started off with, hence this other product as well. And this is for sure cold. The ice I put in lasts like all day and even through the night. I love cold water at night, and this is definitely the greatest thing for it. And I love how big it is. It's actually quite easy to like tote around with me, and I get a lot more water than I even did before. And I drink a lot of water, so definitely check this out if you are looking for insulated waters. And they have huge ones, so if you like hike or anything, they have even bigger ones, like 64 ounces, as well as smaller ones that like fit in cup holders. But this one, I'm really happy with the size. I think it's a 32 ounce. On the other spectrum is this travel mug. It's by the brand Ello, which was my go-to brand before I discovered the coldest water for my like tumblers and water containers and everything. So I recently picked up these travel mugs from their website because I wanted something that was easier to travel with my chai lattes. So they're amazing. Obviously, they're in this video. This one's super cute, and I drink out of it every single day, even if I'm not like in the car. And they keep your beverages hot. Like I said, I want my hot things hot and I want my cold things cold, and these two do those. This video literally has no theme, rhyme, or reason, because next I'm talking about a pen. This is the Sharpie Gel 0.7. Tried this a couple of months ago when I saw that it came out. Wasn't a fan of it. Pretty sure it was because I had a defective pen, because this has become the pen to rule all pens. I've completely stopped using my Sharpie pens. I've moved away from my InkJoy. I use this for everything. If you saw that, like, different pens I use for different things video, this has basically eliminated most of those. So I'm finally a one pen kind of gal. I am monogamous to this pen, and if you haven't tried it yet, you definitely need to. It is so good. Oh, this kind of goes along with it. It's planner writing themed. This is a new pencil pouch I purchased from Erin Condren. It has their like waves cover on it, and then a like divider in between, and a really big compartment, which for travel is freaking amazing. Of course, I'm not doing a lot of travel lately, but we are going to Virginia next week, or whenever this video goes up. We have a trip planned for Virginia, and I'm going to use this to bring all of my planner supplies, keep it all nice and contained. And I just love that it's a little bit bigger than the planny pouches, and by a little I mean a lot. And you can put a lot of different stuff in here, even makeup. I just think it's pretty dang useful. And if I recall, it was only like $20, which is a really good price point for this. And you can then customize with your name or whatever, which is always awesome. Since I've watched basically everything on Netflix and Hulu at this point, I've really leaned into crafts and activities. And I love it. I definitely think I'm going to become one of those crafty people. So if you're interested in seeing craft videos, let me know, because I'm going to have quite a few up my sleeve. But this is a craft that I've been obsessed with lately. These are wooden cactuses that you assemble and paint. And I actually just made them available on our website in 5 different styles. And I think we're going to have like a limited space workshop at our store for them. So I just think they're so cute. If you look back there, I think you can see the, like I stained those with just like wood stain. And I painted these with acrylic, and then I put like crinkle paper down in the bottom and changed the colors of the flowers. Everyone I know is going to get one of these for the holidays. Assembled or unassembled, depending on how crafty I know they are. They'll either get the kit or a finished product. So every Monday, my mom comes over for what we call Mom Mondays, where we just have dinner together, we talk, we catch up, just in case we haven't really seen each other, but we work together, so we talk almost every day. But she comes over for dinner, and so we have been trying to find new recipes and try new things. And this tasty latest and greatest cookbook that I got from my sister-in-law for Christmas has been our like go-to right now. We've cooked a few things in it. We made this like pineapple dish, chicken pineapple thing, and I made a banana poke cake from here. So we've been working our way through this cookbook, and it's super easy, and I think the recipes are really clear and not overly complicated, but they have interesting takes and flavors and additions to things. So if you are like dabbling in more home-cooked meals, I definitely recommend this one, because it's all of their like most popular types of recipes. There's stews, there's desserts, there's appetizers. It kind of encompasses everything. So I talked about this next one in a vlog, so I will be sure to include a clip so you can see what they look like on. But they are these Yogamite leggings. They are phenomenal. They're from Amazon. They have pockets and they just fit really well. They're high-waisted, which is like, if it's not high-waisted, I'm not wearing it. Them's the rules. Nice like upper band for activities if you are doing more than just sitting on the couch in these. I'm assuming they'd be great. I ran in them once and they were fine, and then I never ran again, so you know. But they are like skinny legs, which I love, and they're just super comfortable, really thick, like the type that you see advertisements for, where like people are just doing squats and they don't like go see-through. These are those. Maybe not that same brand, but they have the same quality to them. So I will link them below. And anything else I can find links for, or like coupon codes or whatever, I will link all of that below in the description for you if you are interested. So let me know what you have been loving lately. Are there products or things that you've been doing more now that you're home? Have you been cooking more, crafting more, planning more? Let me know in the description what things you've been loving. And are you like me? I'm curious if you also need your drinks to stay at the temperature they started. Like, I'm obsessive about it. It's kind of absurd. So let me know if I'm not alone in this, or I am alone in this and I'm just crazy. Let me know either way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, hit that down button twice and subscribe so you see more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.